What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro, aka my new best friend. Very excited for this bad boy. I just got back from the Apple store. It is like 8 p.m. so there's no good lighting available. I've only got my room light, so yeah, sorry. Hopefully you can still see the color. It looks okay on camera so far. But yeah, I got the Sierra Blue, of course, and I got it in 128 gigabytes. I don't use that much storage on my phone, to be honest, so right now I have 256, but I only use about 70. So I was like, there's no point me paying for more. And I know that one of the camera features is not available on this size phone, but like, I don't think that's that deep to me. So all good in the hood. But yeah, let's just jump straight in and open this baby up because I'm excited. Please know that I'm really bad at doing unboxings. I don't tell you much information. I just do it for fun. I'm so excited. Oh my god, it's so pretty. That camera is bloody huge. I'm not gonna lie. The camera is massive. I'm very nervous to drop it. Can we just take a minute to see how thin this box is? I don't know what the 12 Pro box was like because the last phone I got was the 11. So yeah, no idea what boxes are like these days, but oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Ooh, moment of truth. Wow. Oh my god, why does it feel so small? Obviously it has these square edges, which again I'm not used to coming from the 11, but it's so pretty. Wow, look at that screen. Wow. Let's see what's in the box. Nothing is in the box. We've got, oh, of course, the SIM thingy. Oh, you do still get a sticker. I wasn't sure if they took that out. That's it really. Safety and handling and what have you. And you do get a cable, but you don't get an actual plug. So one thing to note, and I read that they have to change these to USB-Cs in future, so that's interesting. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like the lightning cables, or would you rather just have one for everything? Oh my god, it's so pretty. I'm just like so nervous because the cameras are so big. But anyway, I got these. I got my glass screen protector because I can't be trusted. I got a clear case from Caseology, never tried them before. And I got this really pretty like snake iridescent pop socket. So let's try the case on, shall we? See what it looks like. I want to see how protective it feels with this big ass camera. Boop, boop, boop. I just want to see. Okay, so obviously I've still got this on. Yeah, that's pretty much what it looks like. So it's quite protective around the camera, I suppose. Yeah, it's quite a nice case. But yeah, that is it. It's really pretty. Very, very, very pretty. I really love this color. It's so funny. I was gonna, basically I had the iPhone 11 and I was waiting. I was like, cool, when the iPhone 13 comes out, I'm gonna get the iPhone 12 Pro because the prices should have dropped and be very nice. And then I saw they brought out this baby blue color and I was like, I have to get this phone. I really wanted a baby pink or a baby blue, and they did bring out pink as well, but for the iPhone 13, so I went for the Pro in the blue, and honestly it's absolutely stunning. It really is stunning. I don't know how different this is compared to the 12 Pro. It's really pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and go and set this up and sort out my life because it's like 8:30 now and I got things to do. Sorry, it was a really speedy unboxing. I just wanted to like show you guys the color really and what it looks like. But yeah, I'm gonna go set it up now. So I'll be back soon with a what's on my phone once it's all set up and I've used it for a bit. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the phones. Let me know what phone you have and if you're planning to get the iPhone 13 or not. And as I said, I will see you guys in a video very soon with a what's on my iPhone. So take care everyone, and I'll see you guys in the next video.